Geology Archipelago. The Geology Archipelago, also known as the Pointe Geologie Archipelago, Geology Archipelago, or Cape Geology Archipelago, is a small archipelago of rocky islands and rocks close to the north of Cape Geodésie and Astrolabe Glacier tongue, extending from Helene Island on the west to the Dumoulin Islands on the east in Adélie Land, Antarctica. History. The French expedition under Captain Jules Dumont d'Urville landed on Debarkment Rock in the Dumoulin Islands on 22 January 1840. Because rock samples were obtained, they gave the name Pointe Géologie to a coastal feature charted as lying south of Debarkment Rock. The archipelago was delineated, in part, from aerial photographs taken by the U.S. Navy's Operation High Jump in 1946-47. Following surveys by French Antarctic expedition parties during the 1950–52 period, the French gave the name archipel to Pointe Géologie to the entire archipelago, as d'Urville's coastal feature is believed to correlate with portions of the cluster of islands close to the north of Astrolabe Glacier tongue. In 1952, a small base was built on Isle des Petrels Petrel Island to study a nearby colony of emperor penguins. This base was called Base Marit. As the main base, Port Martin, was destroyed by fire on the night of 23 January 1952, Base Marit was chosen as the overwintering site for 1952–53. The new main base, Dumont d'Urville Station, was built on the same island, located 62 km 39 mi west of Port Martin, and opened on 12 January 1956. To serve as a center for French scientific research during the Antarctic International Geophysical Year 1957–58. The station has remained in active use ever since. Antarctic Specially Protected Area. A site cluster in the heart of the Geology Archipelago, south and east, and in the immediate vicinity of Petrel Island, comprises Jean Rostand, Le Morgan Claude Bernard, and Lamarck Islands, Bon Docteur Nunatak, and a breeding site of emperor penguins on the intervening sea ice. The site is protected under the Antarctic Treaty System as Antarctic Specially Protected Area Hispano 120. It was designated as such because it contains representative examples of terrestrial Antarctic ecosystems. Apart from the emperor penguin colony, the only one of about 30 in Antarctica that lies close to a permanent research station, birds nesting in the area include Adélie penguins, Antarctic skuas wilsons, storm petrels, southern giant petrels, snow petrels, and Cape petrels. Weddell seals also occur there. Important bird area, large area, of 37 ha site coincident with ISPA 120 has been designated an Important Bird Area (IBA) by BirdLife International because it supports about 3,600 pairs of emperor penguins as well as some 54,000 pairs of Adélie penguins based on 2013 estimates.